This is a withdrawal I initiated today. As you can see here, this is my account number and this is my name. Yeah, I initiated a withdrawal of 812 naira and a few cents. This is just to show you what's possible when you decide to turn what you know, nothing new, what you know, your existing knowledge, into consistent income online. Creating a digital product is the easy part. Hard part is figuring out where to sell your digital product, how to get it in front of your target audience. Because the worst thing that can happen to you is create a masterpiece that nobody is buying. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can sell your product and how you can get people to buy your product. Now, before we get into it, I need you to do something for me. Comment, hey neighbor, I am watching you from. You mentioned the country you're watching me from. I want to know where my digital neighbors are watching me from, okay? While you're at it, like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. Now we've gotten that out of the way, let's get into it. So where can you sell your digital products? I'm going to start with the platform I currently use, which is Seller. Okay, so you just go to Google and type Seller, Selar, and click on the first link. It will bring you here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to click on Start Selling, and you fill this brief form here. Basically, create your seller account. All right, so you can fill the form, your first and last name, your email address and password, or you can sign up using your Google account. You can also sign up using X. You can also sign up using your Facebook account. So me, I'm going to use, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use the form. Click on create account. So here it will bring you to the next dashboard where it says I am a creator. I want to sell products and services on Seller. I am an affiliate marketer. I want to earn commission reselling. I am a customer. I bought a product, whatever, on Seller. But we are going to choose the creator option because we want to create. Click on continue as a creator. It's going to bring you here where you get to fill in your gender and your date of birth. But before that, let's go back to our email and make sure to confirm our email. Make sure to do this, please, okay? It will bring us to the next page right here where we need to add our bank details. This is super important. So we're going to click on add bank details. Here you can add your local bank account. It doesn't matter where you are, Seller will pay you in your local currency. Okay, so where it has the email address, where it says account number, but the email address is there, all you need to do is just to delete the email address. Do not panic. Just clear the email address and add your account number. As you can see here, after your first sale, you'll be required to complete the KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. That will only happen after your first sale, so don't worry about it, okay? All right, so here you'll be asked if you want your payment schedule to be automatic or you want it to be manual. So automatic simply means that your money will be paid directly to your bank account, but I love using manual where I will have to withdraw the money by myself. So all the money will be entering into my Seller wallet. When it's time for me to withdraw, all I need to do is just to go to my dashboard and click on withdraw. So I use manual. You can decide on what you want to do here, okay? And then click on update payout preference. All right, you can always come back to change your account details and change it from manual to automatic. So the next thing we want to do now is to add a product. On Seller, you can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, you can sell tickets, you can sell subscriptions, you can sell services, you can sell courses, you can sell memberships, you can sell stream online videos, audios, you can sell literally anything you want to sell. But personally, I use just digital products feature and the service feature. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using the digital product. You click on next. The first thing you want to do here is to upload your product image. Now, if you had watched the first video, you understand what I mean. You add the name of your product, you add the price of your product. Now we have just one option here, which is my local currency, but you can have as many as you want. I'm going to come back to that. Now, the next thing you want to do is to write a description. choose the category and subcategory. If the product has multiple variations, you click on the little box there. Now, if the product is a pre-order product, you click on this little box, right? Meaning your product is not ready yet. Your audience have to pre-order it. Okay. All right. So the next thing we want to do, which is the most important thing, is the file. Here you have different options, okay, of file access type. You can upload a PDF after you must have saved it in your Google Drive, just like I demonstrated in the previous video, or you can use the link option, which is what I prefer. I just click on automatically redirect via to an external URL after a purchase, and then you bring the link of your products here after you had uploaded it on Google Drive, and make sure to grant access to anyone with the link, and then you create your product. Okay, so let me show you how you can add other currencies to your seller account. Here you have different options. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to be using a few of them, so I want to tick this. Yep. Okay, so let's just leave this one. Okay, so we have my local currency, we have USD, we have pounds, we have Ghana cedis, we have KES. So click on update details. As you can see here now, we have my sales price now has increased from just naira to USD to pounds and other currencies as well. Please make sure to watch the first video, okay, on how to create a digital product that I uploaded. The next one is Payhip. This is great for ebooks and other simple downloads. Another great option is Stan Store, which is created specifically for creators and influencers. Another platform I would like to recommend is Bacon. Bacon acts as a smart link in bio with digital product delivery. This is perfect if your audience click mainly from social media, like you have an Instagram account, then you just put this link in bio in your Instagram bio. So when people click on it, it takes them to the Bacon landing page, and then they click on your product and they buy. Hi neighbor, I hope you're enjoying this video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. So quickly before we continue with the video, do you know that 62% of you who are watching my channel right now are not subscribed yet? Kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything on the channel. Now you've done that, like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to how you can promote your product. How can you get people to buy your digital product? Because if I'm being honest, putting your product on this platform is not enough. You have to promote your product. You have to make noise about your product in order for you to get buyers. So here are 3 ways you can do this effectively. Basically how I promote my digital products. Number 1 is content marketing. You cannot want to sell anything online and tell yourself you will not create content for that thing you're selling online. You have to show up. There's nothing like, I don't want to show my face. You have to show your face. People buy from people. People don't buy anymore. Faceless, I don't know. Even there's a woman I know who was doing a faceless account. Now she's showing her face. All right. So you have to show up and create content for your product. See, even if you want to go faceless, you have to create content consistently for that product. Choose a platform you want to dominate. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram. If it's YouTube, you create videos, right? Talking about the product or giving value and then chipping in your product. It can be Instagram, you create carousels, you create reels, you create single posts, you create whatever it is. Sing your product into, educate people, and position your product as the next step. For example, if you sell CV templates, resume templates, you can post content on interview tips, how to write a good resume, and link your product. The next way you can promote your product is email marketing. First, you need to build a simple list, but in order for you to have an email list, you have to give something for free in order for people to give you their email so you can build your list. You need to give them a freebie, which is also called a lead magnet, right? It can be in form of an ebook, a template, a guide, a discount code, whatever it is, you need to give people in order for them to give you their email, because you cannot just go online and tell people, oh, send me your email so I can start selling my products to you. That's weird. So you have to give people something for free in exchange for their email, and you can start building your email list and sending them email marketing content. Another way you can promote your product and get people to buy is through paid ads, running paid ads on Instagram and Facebook. Now, this is for you if you don't want to invest in time in growing organic reach. The next one is something I am planning to do myself, using partnerships and affiliates. Okay, you can collaborate with other creators, influencers, micro influencers, and affiliates. You can put your product up for like 60%, 40%, 30%. The percentage is totally up to you, but you need to make it attractive in order for people to sign up and start promoting your product actively. This is huge because it expands your reach without paid ads. But if you like this video, you're definitely going to love this one. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in this video. Bye, neighbor.